In this class, we will discuss about question number 2, exercise 3.2, pair of linear equations in two variables. So what about this question? Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. Clear? We are having, observe carefully, we are having two linear equations in two variables. First, we will solve these linear equations. So, for how we will solve these linear equations? We are having in our syllabus different types of the methods: graphically method, substitution method, and elimination method. So, in this exercise, we are discussing about the substitution method. So, by using substitution method, we will find the solution of these linear equations. It means what? By using substitution method, we will find the values of x and y. We are having two linear equations in two variables. It means we are having two variables x and y. We want the values of x and y. So, by using substitution method, first we will find the values of x and y. Then we want to what? Find the values of m. These solution, these values of x and y, we will put in this equation and solve for the m. Then we can obtain the value of m. This will be the process for this question. So observe what will be the solution of this question. Let we are having given what we are having in this question, two linear equations we are having. So I am assuming 2x plus 3y equal to 11. This is the equation number 1. First, 2x plus 3y equal to 11 I am taking as equation number 1, and this one 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24 I am taking as equation number 2. Observe what we are doing. In the question, we are having two linear equations. We are having 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 23. Both are what? Two linear equations in two variables. From this equation, from equation 2, I am using what? Substitution method. From equation 2, I am solving for the y. So 4y will be what? 2x plus 24. This equation, I am solving this equation for the y. So I am transposing this towards the right and this towards the left and interchanging. Then we are getting 4y equal to 2x plus 24. Now solve for the y. Y equal to 2 is common in both, x plus 12 divided of 4. Solve, y will be what? 1 time, 2 time. So what we are getting, x plus 12 upon 2. I am taking this one as equation number 3. So I am using what? Substitution method. So from these two equations, I am solving one equation for the one variable. Y equal to this one, I am putting this one as equation number 1. This obtained from this equation, from equation number 2. So we will not put this value in this equation. We will substitute this value in the equation number 1. Putting y from equation 3 to equation 1. Putting y from equation 3 to equation 1, then what we are getting? 2x plus 3y. Y is what? X plus 12 divided of 2 is equal to what? 11. Now I am taking LCM. 2 will be the LCM. 2 will be what? LCM. If denominator part is 1, 2 times it is going, answer will be multiplied by numerator 4x plus what we are getting, one time it is going, so we are getting 3 times of x plus 12. Yes or no? Clear? For this and this one LCM is 2 and I am solving, equal to 11. Clear? Now do the cross multiplication. This can be written as this numerator will be multiplied by its denominator. So we are getting 4x plus 3x plus 12 3 are 36. 12 3 are 36 and this will be multiplied by this one 22. Now 4x plus 3x will be what? 7x equal to 22 minus 36. What we are getting? 7x equal to minus 4 1 14. So finally x equal to minus 14 upon 7, one time, two time. Finally what we can say? X equal to minus 2. So value of x will be obtained what? 2. Value of x will be what? We obtain value of x will be what? 2. Value of x will be what? Minus 2. Value of x equal to minus 2. So now we will put this value in the equation number 3. What we will do? Put x equal to minus 2 in equation 3. Put x equal to minus 3 in equation. Put x equal to minus 2 in equation number 3. Then we will obtain y. Y equal to x is what? Minus 2 plus 12 divided of 2. What we are getting? Y equal to 10 divided of 2. Finally we are getting y equal to 5. Value of y will be 5. So solution of these two linear equations in two variables will be what? X equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5. Now put x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5 in y equal to mx plus c. What? Now put x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5 in y equal to mx plus 3. Mx plus not c, mx plus 3. We want to find the value of m. Clear? So y is what? 5. Y is what? 5. M times of minus 2 plus 3. Solve this one. Y equal to minus 2m plus 3. We can say 2m equal to, I am transposing this towards the left and this towards the right, minus 5 plus 3. So solve this one. What we are getting? 2m equal to minus 2. Finally what? Finally m equal to minus 1. Value of m equal to what? Minus 1. Observe what we are doing in this question. Value of m we obtain is minus 1. We are having two linear equations. Observe, we are having two linear equations in two variables. We want to find the value of m in this equation. We are having another equation y equal to mx plus 3. So to find the value of m, coefficient of this m is a coefficient of x. So once we know the values of x and y, then we can easily find the values of m. So how do we find the values of x and y? These x and y are what? Solution of these linear equations. So by using substitution method, we are solving these equations and we are finding the x and y and we are putting in this equation and we are getting the value of m equal to -1. So first we are considering this one is equation 1 and this one is equation number 2. I am taking equation number 2, solve for the y, and consider as equation number 3. Then we are substituting this value of y from this one to equation 1 and solving for the x. We are getting x equal to -2. Now we obtain x equal to -2 and we will put this value in the equation number 3. Then we are getting what? Value of y. We obtain the both values of x and y and we are putting in this equation and we are getting the values of m, and this is what? -1. This is a simple question. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.